Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to show you how to change and edit your best team in gameplay of eFootball 2024. So this is best team settings. Before we start, I made this video is for beginner new into this game, still confusing how you can change, how you can challenge the event, how you can complete the objective or the mission so you can get ton of reward from this game. So let's get started by tap the gameplay in the middle one. So this is the gameplay page or your squad page. Here I'm choosing a Manchester United as my best team. You can change it. This one, best team settings, tap. And this one, for example, I want to change my best team here to become maybe I'm choosing the others, FC Bayern München, tap down. And my best team change it to Bayern München here. And let's try another option here. Tap best team setting. You can also edit team name here, FC Bayern München, according to your preference. Or you can edit team abbreviation here. Maybe you can try the FCM or another 3 letters code, and you can learn this warning. You can read this. There's a chance that team name your enter will become visible to everyone on the internet. So thank you for watching. Please choose your favorite team to become your best team. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to comment, like, and subscribe. Also click text button below. Enjoy the game.